Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In the last video, we talked about the binary composite control. Alright, and here we will create the binary composite control project. Let's prepare the binary composite control project and we will go to the demo. Okay, now we will create a new project. Here I am inside the Visual Studio and choosing a new project. So we will name it as a binary composite control. So that's our project name. So let's choose the empty template and click OK here. So the binary composite control project is ready. Let's create one more project and we will call it as a client tester. Alright, we will create the project. So let's open the previously created project or solution, or let's choose add existing project because we previously created a binary composite, right? We will add this. So now if you see, we have both projects ready. So here we will develop our binary composite control and here we will test that binary composite control. Or if you need, you can even have it as a separate project also, because this will sit on its own assembly. So we can even remove it. Let's have a client tester here and we will open one more Visual Studio. And select our binary composite control project. It is still loading. Okay, it's done now. So in our binary composite control, we will add new item and let's click on web form and choose web form server control. And we will name it as add subtract composite control, or we can even use BCC, binary composite control, and we will click add here. So the CS file is added here. So if you see our add sub BCC, this is the binary composite control we added, right? It is derived from web control. So we will remove this and we will derive it from binary composite control. Okay, binary composite control is our namespace and we need to derive it from composite control. Right now our control is derived from composite control. Okay, here we deriving it from binary composite control. Composite control. So render content is not required because now our control is derived from composite control. So we removed it. So that's all. Our project is ready for implementation. Let's build this. And if you see, the composite control is sitting on its own DLL project. Let's open the client tester as well, and we will build this solution also. So we doesn't add any content here. Let's simply go ahead with the rebuild solution. Both the projects are ready, and we will continue from the next video. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.